video, I'm going to show you how to create a drawing using Google Drive and then share that with your students or colleagues. If you're open to a Google account, either your school email or your personal Google account, the toolbar will show either Drive or Docs depending on if you've upgraded to Drive or not. I'm on Drive, so I click on Drive and this opens up my Google Drive. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see two red buttons. One is for Upload. If you'd like to upload an existing file that you've already created, that's the button that you would push. I've created a video that walks you through that process, and I've shared it on Moodle if you'd like more information. Today we're interested in creating, so I'm going to click the Create button, and what I want to create is a drawing. So if I click on Drawing, this simple drawing editor shows up on my screen. It's very simple to use. I have a number of different line types that I can choose. I can put arrows in to my drawing. I can make curves and so forth. I have shapes like squares and circles and rectangles and cylinders and those kinds of things that I can install as well. I can import images from the outside world. And make them part of my drawing also. And I can create text boxes and just enter what I want. And I can change the size of that if I'd like, change the font size and change the box size. Anything I'd like to do. It's actually a pretty powerful little drawing package, and it's very useful for a lot of things. Now, I can share this drawing by just clicking up on the Share button. Right now, this document is private, and only the people listed below, which is just me, can access it. I can change this by clicking Change. One of my options is public on the web, and if I do that, anyone can search and find my drawing. That might be okay for some situations. Most of us who have students are probably just going to choose anyone with a link, so we can restrict access to either colleagues or students that we want to share this drawing with. And then under Access, I also have three different options. Right now it's set so that anyone who has the link can view this, but that's all they can do to it. I could change that to Can Comment. So if I wanted people to be able to comment on my drawing that I've created, in addition to viewing it, that's the option that I'd choose. If I want this to be collaborative and let anybody edit this as well, I can click Can Edit. And that means anyone who has the link can not only look at it and comment on it, but they can also modify it. Leaving that option in place, I'm going to click Save, and then this screen opens up. There's a highlighted URL in there that I can cut and paste anywhere I want to. I also have the options to share the link via Gmail, Google+, Facebook, and Twitter. For those of us who are using Moodle, probably the easiest option is just to copy that link and then go to Moodle. Go to Add a Resource once you're in the module where you want to share this, and click URL. We'll give the title, call it Drawing, and description, and then find the external URL box and just paste in that link that Google gave me. When I click Save and Return to Course, that link shows up as Drawing. When I click on it, or when any of my students click on it, or anyone who has this link, they see this editable page because of the setting that I've made. If they hadn't been given editing access, they would just see this picture and be able to make comments on it if I'd selected that option, or just look at it. Now the advantage of doing this is that no matter what software they have existing on their computer, they can always see this drawing as long as they have email access and a Google account. Here's another thing that I often do with drawings. I will take a screenshot of something that I've created real quick on Google Docs and just insert it in someplace else, like a Moodle quiz, for example, or some other Moodle activity. So if I'm on a PC, I would probably use Jing, or if I'm on a Mac, I could probably just use Preview and take a screenshot and then save that image and paste it any place I wanted to. Your students could also do that, and you might want to share that opportunity with them.